Ulesine ekuseni, ulwesine lomkhuleko. Sivukile, siyabonga. We are so grateful for the gift of life. We are so grateful for the gift of the present moment, the gift of now. Just a reminder before you start your day, God works through knowledge. Hence, you will hear in the scripture, my people perish because of a lack of knowledge. And the negative energies, the devil energy, works using our ignorance. So, being discernful as a person, and just because you feel the load or the weight, just because you see something, just because something comes to your attention, does not mean it is yours. It does not mean you have to take it. It does not mean you have to carry the load. It does not mean you have to carry the heaviness and the weight. Just because you feel that the pressure does not mean you have to succumb to it or give in to it. As in izinto are just there to enslave us. Just because people have thoughts, opinions, and perspectives, and they are offering them to you, does not mean that you have to accept them. It does not mean that you have to acknowledge them, especially about your life and about yourself or about your situations. It's important to always discern and look at things. Take a step and look at things and think about things. That is what discernment is. Learn to discern what needs your attention, your reaction, and your action. We must be comfortable that we don't have to know everything. We don't have to be everywhere. We don't have to respond to everything. And honor our souls above anything else, and protect our hearts, because everything comes from our hearts. It comes from ingaphakathi lethu, and therefore protect our peace. Have a lovely and a productive Thursday.